With this single arm row, you want to start with holding the handle with one hand. And now keeping your body straight, lean back and rotate towards the floor with the opposite arm. Open up your chest towards the floor, let this scapula come out, and then pull everything with the right arm. So the scapula pulls back and then the elbows come to your side at the same time. So your scapula's pulling back, elbow to your side, and then bring the opposite arm forward. Again, you're slowly lowering yourself, rotating towards the floor, and then pull everything strong. Make sure to avoid arching at the back when you do this. You want to make sure to stay strong in the core, but you're really going to feel everything in the right shoulder start to fatigue here, from the lats to the mid-scapula muscles to the shoulder to the biceps.
So this is a thread the needle exercise, and I'm trying to work on my rotation right now, going to the right. What helps is that if I'm using this hand right now, instead of just reaching, which you can do, I'm actually putting the hand on the ground and I'm actually using my fingers to try to get as much range out of that stretch as I possibly can. Now the goal of this exercise right now is just to work on the whole back. Say you wanted to work more in the middle of the back, the mid back, what you can do is you can sit down on your heels and do the same thing. And this is going to lock out your lower back and have the movement come primarily in the middle back. And again, I'm trying to reach with my fingers. I could also look with my eyes to try to get that as much rotation as you possibly can out of the stretch. There should never be any pain. It should just feel like a stretch when you're doing this.